Alright, so y cos 3x, do the same thing, do the table. So originally 0, 90, 180, 270, and oh my god, what's wrong with my pencil? Hope it's not spoiled. Okay, so now the factor is 3. So instead now I divide by 3 and see what we get. Oops. 270 divided by 3, 90. And 120. So now you need even more angles on your axis. So adjust accordingly. 360. Like that, maybe like that. 360, 240, and 120. So 3x, so you expect to see 3 cycles. So now I'll cut it into 4 each. 60, 90, and 30. Still goes to 1 and minus 1, so no difference. Cross. Sorry, I forgot to put the y values. Y values should be 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Right? Same as the cosine graph lah. So it drops down like that, goes back up to the top. Okay, my pencil is not working very well. That's why you see it's a curvy line. It's not because my hand is a bit off. There's something wrong with my pencil now. Not sure why. Let me try and draw again. There you see, much better. Okay, so you have one full cycle within 120 already. And you got to do it 3 times for the same 360. Okay, so you just add it, do it accordingly now. A bit tedious, yes, I understand, but doable. So this is y equals to 3 cos x. I say again, let us deal with the 3x first. So I'm going to times or divide by 3 here. Just now we do what? Divide, right? So we divide by 3. So do the according one first. 30, 60, 90, and 120. Okay. Next, sine. Actually, sine, what are the key y values? 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, right? These are the key values. But now I have the 2 here. So what will be my new amplitudes? Anyone? What's my new amplitudes? Because of the 2 there. Yes, 0. The y values get multiplied, right? So this is how we're going to do the sketch. We just focus on this one and this part of the table, and then we do our sketch. Okay, I'll take a look at the question. Oh, until 180, good. So if this is 180, because of the question, look carefully. This must be 90, this must be 45, this must be 135. But then the ones I want are 30, which are here. Wow, challenging. Okay, sorry, let's not do it this way. I reverse my order. Salah. Let me do it this way. What I will do is I'll leave some space here, everyone. And I'll do until 120 first. One cycle, okay? So half of it, half of it, half of it. So 30, 60, 90, 120. I do one cycle only first, okay? I'm supposed to do until 180. Later on I add. So now up till 2 and minus 2. So I do my 0, 2, 0, minus 2, 0. And I draw my sine curve first. Okay? But the question wants until 180 degrees. So I do a scaling right now. Where is roughly 180? Where? Okay, all too busy to do anything really. 180 is like adding 60 more, and 60 is halfway. So actually it's like half more cycle lor. Yeah lor. So I just add in lor. So this is y equals to 2 sine 3x. Okay, so summarize, it's getting a bit more complicated because we're adding all the things together now. Amplitude change, the period also change, meaning a number of cycles. So in this one, I change the period accordingly, and I change the amplitude accordingly, and then I do the sketch. Okay? The rest of it is really just adjusting along the way. The what? There's a 2 in, yeah, the 2 changes the amplitude. That's why 1 becomes 2, everything times 2. Eh? The height. Remember we said the height, number in front changes the height. Yeah, so now everything go to 2 and minus 2.
Then if this plus something, then it's plus.
Then later on you shift the whole thing up. That's quite leceh to be honest. Roughly get the idea? Okay, everyone. I'm just going to jump to 33 and then I'll stop here today. But I'm just trying to show you that this is the most so-called more difficult kind that you're expected to know. So now you are expected to draw 2 graphs, everyone. I'm not going to go into the detail. I'm going to show you the general idea only. Okay? Draw 2 graphs. I'm going to very quickly off the top of my head straight away draw already. Without any table. Through experience. Okay? No, not enough time. Okay. Y equals to 2 sine x. So and then cos 2x. So within this one, I will have here 1 minus 1. Alright, so the point of this, guys, is to show you that, let's say I already did the necessary hard work, okay? And I drew the 2 graphs here, okay? Let's say. And then they ask you, state the number of solutions in the interval of this for 2 sine x equals to cos 2x. Please tell me very quickly what do you think you're supposed to do. State the number of solutions. Hence, we are looking for intersections. So how many times they intersect? 2. That's all. This is the combined question. You combine to find the number of solutions. So the number of solutions actually for A is actually 2. That's all. We do not need to know the exact answer. We just know that it is that value. There are 2 intersections. That's all. Okay?